Today we are fixing the USB not recognized problem on Windows. First, we will reset every USB controller on your system. Click on the Start button. Type Device Manager and open it. Now scroll down until you find the option named Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click the arrow next to it to expand the list. Now click the first one and select Uninstall Device. When the confirmation box appears, click Uninstall. Do the same for every item under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Make sure you uninstall all of them. Next, disconnect your USB device from the computer. Then restart your system. Once Windows boots up again, plug in the USB device. Next, if it still does not work. Step 1. Open the control panel. Go to Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. Next to your current plan, click Change Plan Settings. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Scroll down and find USB Settings. Expand it, and then expand USB Selective Suspend Setting. Set both options to Disabled. Click Apply, and then OK. This disables power saving for USB ports and keeps them fully active. Step 2. Now we will clean the registry key that controls all USB drivers. Press Windows key and R to open Run. Type regedit and press Enter. Inside Registry Editor, navigate to this path. Select that folder. On the right side, look for values named upper filters and lower filters. If you find them, right-click and choose Delete. Do not delete the key itself. Only remove upper filters and lower filters. After that, close the registry editor. Restart your computer. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.